ikhuzele kuku esuthi ikhwele phezu kwethu ikhuzele kuku
Baba Dube, particularly with I've answered in the Montlante. Montlante is simply there to cleanse ZANU-PF. And I think the more some of you can write to Montlante, you are there as a tissue as ZANU-PF. You will clean up where the sun never shines. Limtshele lithi umzilitesi kutshela ukuthi pack your bags and go. Akahambe. Sizahlanga negoli when you be talking about this, and I wish you good luck ukuthi li organize into lisebatshela on their doorsteps. Ukuthi ma South Africans, you are disgusting. Yekelani kusetshenziswa by ama-murderers. Babulala abantu eMarikana, it's a huge case. Abantu ba-oppose akulanto kathesi it became a court issue. Masinya abantu balahlekelwa izikhundla. But you are saying, I think the sooner a message comes out ukuthi my expectations is part of the way forward suggestion ukuthi let us dethrone abantu abazibeka laphana ezitulweni zobukhosi besithi bona abazelungisa indaba elokuzene Gukurahundi, or insulting us ukuthi sifuna ukuzwisisa ukuthi lokuzene abantu abangu-6 bafa njani. When people then say liyahlanya kule case enje bavala imlomo bayazipha, because they've been told ukuthi vele don't you ever open your ears abantu lana abazabe demand ukwazi ngeGukurahundi. So that's your responsibility. Angikwazi sizakwenza njani, but the field is there, battlefield. It's up to you to in fact pick up your arms and fight. Angisho physically ngoba lapho umthetho ngizozilivumela. But I'm saying zinengi izinto elingazenza to show that you are fighting. Khona la embassy South Africa, you must go there and protest and say we want Montlante to stop abusing abantu bakithi baqhibeze batshela ukuthi they can listen to this thing. And sibatshela abantu bakithi ukuthi they should not sit on their laurels ngoba balapha eUK. Kaba join abanye babuye bavuke nxa utha kule activity South African embassy to protest into kaMontlante ukuthi recall that man. Kaphume. Asla ndaba lo anya uko. Amfuna ukumthethisa. Asla ndaba layo. Sile ndaba la lo wakithi ngoba sikhona apha singamajawunda abanye khona la. La ngumjawunda. Kaphume kahamba ahlala phansi. Nxa ngalanto yokwenza atshone senzile okuzeni ngizakhuluma kusasa.
Play golf.
You are being polite, thank you.
Yeah.